What I would do is reduce each equation. So take, before you start adding the two together, what you want to do, divide the top one by 2, and that's going to give you 6m plus 5b equal 19, and the bottom will divide by 5, and that's going to give you 4m plus 3b equals what? 5, we're going to let 1 times 12. 5 and 2 is 10, yeah. So now we have this new set of equations, and what you want to do is multiply one equation by something, and you want to be able to cancel out your variables. It doesn't matter if you want to cancel out your b's or your m's. So let's just say we want to get rid of our m's. So if I want to get rid of my m's, I'm going to multiply the top one by -2. You're going to see why. And the bottom one by 3. So multiply each term by -2, and I get -12m minus 10b equals -38. And multiply the bottom one by 3, and that gives you 12m plus 9b equal 36. Now you see how your m's will cancel out? One's a positive, one's a negative. So they're gone, and now I've got -b equals -2. Just adding those equations together. So the cost of a book or whatever it was is 2. And now you can just back substitute into one of these equations I would use to figure out what m is. So just use the bottom one. 4m plus 3 times b, 3 times 2 is 6, equal 12. So 4m equals 6, m equals 3. Is that right? No. M equals 6 over 4. Did I do that right? 6 over 4, which is 2 over 3. That's $1.50. So a book is 50 cents more than a map.